Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G30 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with the settings. We have to open them, then scroll down a little bit to find the display option. And here on the third position we've got the night light, so let's tap. Let's turn it on now. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit to the yellowish side, I would say. Here we've got the intensity switcher. By going to the right we can make it warmer, by going to the left cooler, so it is not visible at all. So of course it's up to you which intensity is the most comfortable for you. You've got also schedule options, so none is manual option. You can turn it on custom time, so you can choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the night light accordingly. Or you can That's not what I wanted to do. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and your device will basically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, and it will apply the night light. So this is the whole customization of this mode. If you want to have much faster access to it, we have to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those options. And right here we've got the night light option, so let's simply tap on it to apply it. As you can see, the screen will change, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.